If you've ever wondered how to use a Pomodoro timer with your time tracking app to maximize your productivity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to integrate the Pomodoro technique with your time tracking app in just a few easy steps. Stick around until the end, and I'll share how to get an exclusive free trial for a software that makes this even easier. Let's dive in. The Pomodoro technique is simple. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This helps maintain focus and avoids burnout. If you want to track your time while using this method, the good news is that most time tracking apps now have this feature built in. Here's how you can do it. First, open your time tracking app and check for the Pomodoro timer option. In our software, it's usually located in the timer section, where you can choose between different types of timers. If you don't see a Pomodoro option right away, it might be called focus timer or something similar. Some apps even allow you to customize the Pomodoro intervals, so you can tweak the timing based on your preference. Once you've found the Pomodoro timer, set your focus time. Typically, it will default to 25 minutes, but feel free to adjust if you want longer or shorter sessions. After that, set your break time. The default break is usually 5 minutes, but many apps give you the option to adjust the length of your break as well. Now hit start, and the timer will count down the 25 minutes of work time. Once that's up, the app will automatically alert you that it's time for your 5-minute break. Some apps even let you track the break time so it doesn't get lost in your workday. You can also set reminders for when it's time to start the next Pomodoro session or take a longer break after 4 Pomodoros. If your app doesn't have a built-in Pomodoro timer, don't worry. You can still use it by setting a custom timer with the same intervals. The app will then track the time you spend on tasks and breaks, which is just as effective. By using a Pomodoro timer with your time tracking app, you'll be able to stay on task and increase your productivity throughout the day. And if you want to follow along, the software we're using today has an easy Pomodoro feature that integrates seamlessly with your time tracking. And as a bonus, I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description below just for my viewers. To wrap up, the key takeaway from today is that using a Pomodoro timer with your time tracking app can supercharge your productivity by helping you stay focused and organized throughout your day. You can set your work and break intervals, track your time, and ensure you're working efficiently without burning out. Quick recap. Start by finding or setting up the Pomodoro timer in your app. Customize your intervals to suit your needs. Use the app to track your work and breaks. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to try out the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.